Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and I haven't posted in so long, but we're back and I'm going to be playing Infinite Flight today. Um, I've never posted a video like, gaming of Infinite Flight, so hope you guys enjoy this. Comment down below if you like any games you want me to play and I'll play them. So yeah, just let me know and I'll play the game. So today we'll probably be flying with we'll fly the A321 on American Airlines, and we'll take off from. We'll probably be flying. Probably I would say about LAX is fine. And well, yeah, we'll take off from runway 25R so we can head up north, So, okay, we'll probably be fine with that. I'll fly. So, I'm glad to be posting again, and it's very fun to post on YouTube, and it's a very good moment to be in. So, all right. We're gonna get ready to take off here. Let's see the weight and balance in here. Okay, we have no passengers. Let's get 100. Let's get some cargo up in here. Get some fuel. Alright, time. Yep, it's current time, July 1st. And let's head to. We're going to be heading up to. Probably. Let's go up to San Francisco. Alright, we're gonna be heading up to San Francisco. Alright. Let's get throttle, our flaps ready. Alright, I think we're ready. There we go. Power 92%. Rotate. So guys, we're going to turn on our navigation for autopilot. So we have San Francisco engaged. Now autopilot. Altitude. 8,000 feet. Alright, there we go. Our decline is different. And now we're going to drop down 300 knots. Our direction is going to be 325 and so yeah, I'll be back in probably so we do need to be flap 1. Increase your speed. And then that would get the altitude to 0 now. Alright. Increasing the airspeed to 60 knots. Guys, I'll be back in a little bit, but this is just the part 1 from me taking off from LA and getting to cruising speed, or get up to cruising altitude, but I'll be back with part 2 from flying from the cruising to getting and circling San Francisco International Airport, so I'll be back in a little bit, guys. Thank you.